Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your profile on Pinterest. Okay, first of all, you can open the Pinterest application on your phone, and you're gonna open this saved option. Tap on the saved button, and you're going to click on this icon to open the Pinterest setting. And here we can select profile visibility, and if you want to hide your profile, you can select either private profile or search privacy. And I suggest you to activate the search privacy, and you can hide your profile and boards from search engines, for example Google. And you can click on this toggle button to activate this search privacy. And I'm going to click on I understand. Okay, you can also private your profile, but when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers, and following list. And I'm just going to select this one. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our profile on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.